I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your profile details on Venmo is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your current details. Step 3. Edit your profile. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. Tap it to start making changes to your name, profile picture, or bio. Step 4. Update your information. Make the necessary updates, such as changing your display name or adding a new profile picture. Double check for any typos before saving. Step 5. Save changes. Once you've made your updates, be sure to tap the Save button to apply the changes. If you forget this step, your updates won't take effect. That is it. You've successfully updated your profile details on Venmo. If you run into any issues, just retrace these steps, and you will be good to go. Happy Venmoing!